Hi, I'm Wayne from Breakwater Marine, owner of the business. Been in business for 10 years now. I've been in the industry for 20 years, working on older motors, which a lot of the other outboard places don't do now. The services I provide is general maintenance, servicing, engine rebuilds, boat repairs, trailer repairs, restorations. I can do fiberglass repairs and all your stainless steel, aluminium and steel welding. I actually sell Idea outboards and also sell Lone Star winches, which I'm the local dealer for Lone Star winches here in Geelong. And I believe I just provide an all-round service that a lot of the other places can't provide. The thing I love about a lot of my customers is they're very loyal and keep coming back to me, and also bring in new customers as well.